This is the podcast overview for week 10. We will be covering chapter 9, job stress. Here is the to-do list for this week. You do have an exam, your fourth exam, which is covering chapters 8 and 9. Here are the chapter objectives with a rundown of each here, if you click here. Your lecture slides that go along with chapter 9. And then discussion for this week is a little bit shorter, give you a little bit of a break. What you're going to be doing is using the Harrington text, chapter 9, to answer these questions. Number 1, which of the 5 models of organizational stress best applies to your current job or to your role as a student if you're not working? In what ways does it apply? And what control might you have over these or power to change these? So you're going to take a look at the different models that are discussed in the book when it comes to organizational stress. And you're going to kind of see which one fits with where you're at right now. And you're going to talk about that. So make sure you're citing support there. And then number 2, when you procrastinate on school or work assignments, what are your primary reasons? So this is more of a personal question here. How does it make you feel? And using what you've learned from the chapter, what strategies for burnout and procrastination would help you the most? So I really want you thinking about applying this to you and choose what would work well for you and explain. So don't give just the generic answer of what you think would be best overall, but specific to you. How can you prevent burnout and procrastination? What strategies would help you to do that, particularly given your situation, your circumstances, your personality traits? All of that matters when discussing things like burnout and procrastination. And then 3, given the current climate of COVID, what unique factors are people faced with in their workplace stresses? And that can be many different types of workplaces, not just healthcare workers, but many people are feeling the stresses of COVID, especially businesses at this time. So based on what you've read, what might be some factors that people are faced with workplace stress right now. And then exam 4 is going to cover chapters 8 and 9. You'll have 40 minutes to complete it. Each question is worth 2 points. Just as usual, 40 questions, 2 points each. And so if you have questions as you're working through all this material, please let me know this week.